it. Please make all necessary redactions and changes at this time. If there are no other witnesses for the defense, it is time for the decision to be made.
I can tell the court that co-counsel and my client are deep in conversation concerning this.
I am capable of seeing that, Mr. Zeldin. No narration is needed. Mrs. Kappelman wants the defense rest. Is the state intending to place or put on any rebuttal case?
I think not. If they rest without calling any further witnesses, that could change if Mrs. Adelson decides to testify.
Very well. At this point, I do need a decision. Mrs. Adelson, please rise. You've been placed under oath earlier this afternoon. Mrs. Adelson, I will advise you concerning your rights. You understand that you have the right to remain silent, and the jury will be instructed that your silence cannot be held against you in determining the merits of this case. Do you understand this?
I do understand.
Do you also understand that you have the right to testify as a witness in your case in chief on your own behalf?
Yes, Your Honor, I understand.
You understand if you do choose to take the witness stand, you will be cross-examined by one of the prosecutors.
Yes, I'm aware of this.
You understand that your credibility will be placed before the jury like any other witness.
Yes, Your Honor, I understand.
Have you been able to discuss, or have you been able to discuss with your attorneys the two rights that the court has placed before you?
Yes, we discussed the rights.
Concerning those rights as to whether you will remain silent or whether you will testify, have you made a decision concerning this matter?
I haven't. I'm not prepared to make that decision. This decision affects the rest of my life.
Mrs. Adelson, you're in the same position as every other criminal defendant who faces trial. Ultimately, you must decide whether you will testify or whether you will not. I cannot make you testify. Your attorneys cannot make you testify. But ultimately, you must choose whether you will testify or not.
I don't have to choose. I was hoping I would have some time to speak to my attorneys.
This has already been discussed, ma'am. What is your choice?
Judge, since I was handling prior witnesses while Ms. Fulford was speaking with Ms. Adelson, can I have a few minutes, please?
What exactly are we going to accomplish that we have not been able to since the trial started, pre-trial, the long recess yesterday, or even the lunch break today?
That's what I'm trying to determine, Your Honor.
I will give you exactly 5 additional minutes. From there, Mrs. Adelson has to make a decision whether she will testify or whether she will not.
Thank you, Your Honor.
If anyone in the gallery needs to use the restroom or stretch your legs, this is your opportunity at this point.
Donna said, "You're not gonna rush me. This decision affects the rest of my life, Judge. Not your life, not his life, not their life. This affects my life. Like, I gotta make sure that I can handle this." See, she don't know when to cry because she should start crying in. Oh my goodness. Like, something must be going on where they must don't want her to testify. And she must be going against the grain, or vice versa. It gotta be something. Because typically, whatever your lawyers tell you, you typically just go ahead and do, right? Or is she not trusting her lawyers at this point in time? You guys tell me. I've never seen anything like that. Have you? Wow. Just delaying what? Like, so Charlie not testifying, right? If we didn't got to this point. Sorry, y'all. I'm checking on the other trial to make sure they're not starting their opening statements. Hey, Capri, you ain't missed out on nothing. We trying. Donna back there contemplating whether or not she want to testify or not. So while she on her little break, okay, so just a little small announcement for y'all that's here, right? And for anybody that looks at the video. So each month I have to do 3 vertical lives. And the lives have to be like, it's almost like a cell phone view. It almost reminds you of like a short. So I plan on doing them in the evening. And it'll just be like maybe 5 or 10 minutes, just kind of like a recap of whatever we covered in a day. I figure this could, yeah, it'll be like 5 or 10 minutes and doing a recap. So what happens is during this period of time, if I get, what are they called? Look, I don't even know what they called. I need to have my stuff together so I could be able to tell y'all. Like, I don't even know what they called. I think they called jewels or something. Let me see. Um, let's see. It is called.
One can be seated.
Oh, they back. Oh, whatever. I can't even find the information. I'm
Gentlemen,
tell
Ms.
y'all
Fulford,
I
Ms.
can't even find the
Adelson,
information.
the extra time that you have been provided, that has come to a conclusion. We are not finished with the colloquy quite yet. I am not talking for the sake of talking. Before we have to move into any contempt, we do need to move on. Mrs. Adelson, the question remains, as it relates to your right to remain silent and your right to testify, what is your decision concerning these 2 rights?
This time I don't want to testify.
Very well. As I've previously stated, The jurors will be instructed that your silence cannot be held against you in any way. We will bring the jurors back out. The defense will rest its case on the record. Ms. Kappelman, you indicated the state will not have rebuttal.
Didn't say that, Judge. May I have a moment to confer with the counsel?